Hi guys, Friday, March 5th, 2021. Got a small job today. We're going to be replacing the bathroom cabinet here. It's got an issue with the handle, I guess. The wife ordered it up, yep. Wife ordered a new one, so I'll be taking this out of this bathroom. I'll take it to my own. This is good enough for me. So let's get started on the new one. All right, guys, what do we have here? All right, Yaheetech. Okay. Let's open it up and look inside. All right, finally opened the box. What do we have in here? Okay. Oh boy. Yep. Yeah, it doesn't look too, looks nice, but so far anyway, doesn't look too, well, it's numbered. I like that. And it's my, I like directions. That's my second favorite part, or my favorite part. Can't remember. I think finishing this stuff is my favorite part. This is gonna be my second favorite. So, yeah, we got some directions and we got some pieces. So, let's pull them all out and get started. Well, guys, there's 13 steps to a total. It says recommended that one or more adults are required. Really? Here's your legend with all your stuff. I was being sarcastic when I said this is like my second favorite part. I hate directions. I hate parts. I hate it. I do. But you need them. And this is helpful, so. All right. Let's, this is step one, I guess. Yep. What I'll do is try to arrange the parts and make it a lot easier. So I took my Stanley, and according to the directions, it's a screw here, and just 4 for part 1. Okay, guys, I got all 4 of them in. Be careful when you're putting the screws in. You can strip them, so just be careful. I didn't strip it, but be careful. You can, and get your screwdriver with a thicker tip. I was using, let's see, I was using this one, a little too thin, so the thickness of it just wasn't gonna work. So get you something a little better than this. Okay, next in step 1, we're gonna get number 2, and we're gonna add some more screws to it. I think 2 and 3 are actually here. They're not numbered, so they did a bad job at that. Oh. But 2 and 3 are the same, guys, so you'll be able to look at the illustration and then look at the pieces, and same holes, same everything. Well, hold on now. Wait a minute. Wait, is it? Hold on. No, these holes are, got 3 here, 3 here. So the holes are different, so you have to just pay close attention to the drawing. Finally figured out which was which. It's just depending on, you see, if you have number 2, the holes will be here to your left, just like on the drawing. But if you have number 3, those holes will be here. Drawing, just like it is. You'll see, but just pay close attention. It's not difficult at all. Okay, guys, so this is how part 2, the second piece should look. So we have a screw, 4 screws in the second piece. I'm gonna move on to the third piece. And see, this is what I was talking about. You see the holes here for the third piece are here. They'll be to your right. So the second piece had the holes to the left. But like I said, you'll be able to tell. So it should be, it's not gonna be hard for you to figure it out. It's not gonna be hard for you to figure it out. See guys, this is what I was talking about. The holes, illustration 3 or the third piece are at the top right. And over here, top right. So just look out for that. That's what distinguishes piece 2 and 3. So far, so good, guys. 2 more to put in. No trouble so far. All right, guys, I'm done with the third piece. Let's move on to the step 2. Well, it looks like they want us to stay with piece 2 and 3. There's illustration here, illustration here. So it looks like I have to get piece 2 and get parts E and F. So, okay, no problem. How do I know this is piece 2? Because as I stated before, the screw to piece 2 is going to be at your left side, okay? Just like the drawing here. Okay, so that lets you know. So just pay close attention to the instructions. So here's E and F, and it looks like the purpose of the little screws here. And we're going to be putting F across like so. Okay. No problem.